Make some pretzel M&M kisses on a parchment paper with the cookie sheet.
And 70.
There's 7 there. We're gonna top each pretzel with a kiss. Brent, you can have this, bud.
Sorry,
Chocolate.
Brent. Can't have the chocolate. It's looking good.
Okay, we'll take this, put it in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5, not
Yeah,
45.
Yeah, if you're 45, you'll have a mess.
4 to 5. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. So bright. Oh, there we go. So they're nice and soft now.
Oh, yes, most definitely.
Not melted, but soft.
Yeah, you can tell they're soft. Be gentle. Now we're going to take some M&Ms. Just kind of drop it on there.
Oh, yeah. Just kind of sinks onto it.
Yep. You got to be accurate if you want to try and get it right in the middle. Okay.
It's looking good.
Now we want to put this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes just to let that chocolate now get hard.
Okay. Just gotta make room for it somewhere.
Yes. Let's see. I think it'll sit right here.
So like, would you say 5 to 15 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now they're set.
Ooh.
Now maybe get you a Christmas tray and arrange them on a Christmas tray, and you can serve them as little appetizers.
Those look great. I wanna try a green one. Oh.
Green for the Grinch.
Yeah. It's like my favorite Christmas movie. Mmm. That is really good. I love the salty and the sweet
Yes. Okay.
together.
Good deal.